What? I'm getting so many likes on my video. 10, 15, 20 likes. Looks like people are liking my videos. Wow. We all like to be liked, right? Stay with me to the end of this video to know how to be instantly likable in real life. Welcome to the only channel where you get the free PDF summary and worksheet copy of each video we make. So if you are not subscribed, then click the link in the section below so you're all set. See, there are people whom we instantly like. We have seen such characters in movies and we find them around us too. So what is it that makes these people likable so soon? We might not even know them so well, yet their body language, their listening skills, their ability to remember people's name, their positivity, their sensible questions, and their knack to steer the conversation in the right direction helps them radiate a kind of goodness that is so endearing. And those are the 6 attributes we are discussing here, so you can be instantly likable too. So here's the first one. Remember their name. There is something secretly satisfying about this. There is actually a research to prove that we feel happy when our name is recognized in public. There is no denying fact that whoever remembers our name is quickly raised to the status of a friend. And that is the power of name. Take a look at this conversation. Hi. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Here is the conversation using names now. Hi Nikhil, how are you doing?
Hey Chris, I'm good. How are you doing?
Did you feel the difference? Now tell me which one of these conversations shows more warmth? The one with the name, isn't it? So what are we gonna do to be more liked? Remember names. By the way, my name is Nikhil. Say hi in the comment section below if you want to see such more interesting videos like these. That brings us to the second attribute, that is you. No, I mean we all need to develop. And that is the art of listening. When people listen, half the time they're busy framing answers or developing responses in their minds. Active listening is actually listening with full attention to what other person has to say. I'll tell you my story what happened a couple years back. One of my colleagues walks into the office and started talking how much he missed home. I quickly interrupted him and started giving him solutions. Have regular Skype calls and go visit your family and how I do it so effectively, blah blah blah. At the end of my rather long advice, my colleague said, "But Nikhil, I was here to talk about buying home near my office." I looked away sheepishly. On the other hand, he patiently listened to all my advices even though it was unnecessary for him. I should have listened to him and let him finish before doling out my advice. How often have we done this? Sometimes all the other person need is listening ear. When someone is talking, take time to listen actively. Try to show some signals that you are carefully listening. Next one is be positive. Henri Matisse, the great French artist, once said, "There are always flowers for those who want to see them." My friend, life is beautiful, but we seem to forget this in our day-to-day conversation. Let's talk about these two guys, Mr. A and Mr. B. Person A says, "The weather is horrible today, and so was the traffic. The boss has burdened me with more work, and there will probably no pay hike this year. The world is going to dogs." That was a lot of complaining in just one sentence. I wouldn't want to be anywhere near this person. Imagine if you were stuck with this person on the train. How would you feel when you get off? Quite unhappy, isn't it? Now imagine if you were with the person named B in same situation with a different attitude. The weather seems challenging today. I'm glad we are in train. Sometimes when I'm stuck in traffic, I'm happy that I have a comfortable car to sit in. The boss has given me lots of responsibility. I guess he trusts me. I'm happy I at least have a job and a pay. Now both these people are facing same circumstances. But who would you like more? And more importantly, who would you like to be? A or B? Negativity is contagious, and so is positivity. Spread the positive vibe and see your ambience flourish. If you want to spread positivity right now, then click the like button on this video. I'll feel happy. Next one is ask the right questions. When you ask the right question, you show that you are genuinely interested in what other person has to say. Asking right question takes the conversation further in a right direction. Instead of asking questions like how much do you make, what is your weight, ask questions like what do you like the most about your job? How do you stay so fit? Say the conversation is around degrading environment and the person you are talking to is going on and on about how things look bleak and hopeless. The question you can ask is, so how do you think we can bring about change? The question serves two purposes. One, it shows you are carefully listening, and also you are interested in knowing what his ideas for solutions are. And also you have just moved him from complaining mode to a solution mode. Isn't that a win-win for both of you? Next one is body language. See, if you don't get this thing right, you get everything wrong. No amount of words can make you likable if your body language says otherwise. Three things here: smile, eye contact, and ensure your posture is right. A smile is universal. It makes you look nice, and in general, people instantly connect with smile. Eye contact. Eyes are the mirror to our soul. When you make eye contact, you signal that you are here with a good intent. And posture. Slightly bend your posture to a person or a group you are talking to. It shows that you are interested in listening to them and genuinely care about them. Next one in the list is stick to the conversation. Now this crime can put you in the unlike box for years. It can make you sound like a bore and a complete moron person. Imagine that the conversation is going about amazing business ideas of Elon Musk, and one person takes that conversation to his or her personal achievement and keeps bragging and talking fluff all the time. You might know some people like these who drops into a conversation and make it everything about them. The better thing would be to stick to the topic of a conversation, ask genuine questions, and offer opinion only when asked. Generally, keep the momentum going. There is one mantra I often repeat to myself is, it's nice to be important, but it is more important to be nice. This is sure to gather you multiple likes. There is no denying fact that we all like to be liked. And the best way to be instantly liked is watch your body language. Listen, remember the names, be positive, ask right question, and of course, stick to the conversation. I warmly wish you lots of instant likes, and I'm waiting from some you too. You can also instantly like this video and give us some encouragement. Go ahead, do it right now. This is Nikhil. Keep speaking, keep expressing. World is your stage. Now, you might know that I was a terrible speaker just few years back. But over the period of time, I honed this skill by taking it really seriously. Of course, made a lot of mistakes, but when I look back today, I'm glad I took public speaking seriously, which has helped me immensely in business, career, and personal life. After my hard learnings and experiences, I have created a course called Branded, which stands for Big Idea, Research, Accumulate, Nugget, Design, and detach. It's tried and tested. And I'm not sure if it's for you and how serious you are about learning public speaking, but this could help you in selling your thoughts, ideas, or product to anyone in your business and professional life. If you are interested, link is shared in the section below. See you next time. Until then, keep speaking.